Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm Gerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Today's topic is about car accidents and why we need to know speed, time, and distance in your car accident case. And here's why it's important. When you come into an attorney's office and you tell them you've been involved in an accident, the attorney is going to go through with you a number of questions. They will want to know the details, not just where you were coming from and where you were going to, but how fast were you going at the time of the impact? How far away were you when you recognized the traffic light? How long did it take to go from the time that you recognized the traffic light until the time of the impact? If we have 2 out of the 3 numbers that I've just described, either your speed, your time, or your distance, we can easily calculate out what the third number is, regardless of which one it is. So we can have the time and the speed and figure out the distance. We can have the distance and the time and figure out your speed. So there are many ways to do it, and it's very easy to calculate. And it's important because it will establish whether or not the testimony that you will ultimately give in your case is credible. If you tell us that it took you 10 minutes to travel a quarter of a mile and you were going 10 miles an hour, we can calculate whether that information is accurate. If I question a defendant, someone who is being sued and who is driving a car, and I ask them how long it took them to go from one block to the next, and they tell me it took them 30 seconds, and that's a distance of about a few hundred feet, I can now calculate their speed to see whether or not they were going within the speed limit. And speed, time, and distance is very important for any lawyer who handles and tries car accident cases in the state of New York. And that's it for today's topic on car accidents. I'm Gerry Oginski. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.